The breadth of technology that is developed and the innovation that happens in Kanata North today is far broader than it was even 25 years ago. And that's key to bringing tech talent in, creating that innovation cycle where one thing feeds the next. It's kind of the secret sauce of Kanata North.
Kanata is a great place to invest because there's an ecosystem of talent that's available, both in our own campus where we have over 1,600 engineers. There's also an ecosystem both of skilled workers and university and college graduates that we can tap into for our future talent.
If I look at the evolution of QNX over the last 10 years, there is probably nowhere better that we could have been. I'm now on the Kanata North Business Association, I'm on the board, so I see how they bring people together, how they bring executives together. There's a lot of sharing of ideas now.
KNBA has a critical role to play in making sure that that Canada and the world knows that we're here and that we have the most exciting jobs in some of the most exciting fields and some of the most dynamic companies on the planet available. The interesting thing about the tech community, as broad and as global as it is, it's also a little bit small in the sense that we have BlackBerry QNX here, incredible world leadership in autonomous vehicle technology. Anywhere on the planet, the others who do that specialty know exactly where BlackBerry QNX. They know it's in Kanata. The tech community is very aware of where leadership lies and where talent is. From Kanata North, the companies that export from here are also exporting Canada. They're putting Kanata North on the map, they're putting Canada on the map. They're creating a cycle where people want to be here, because where success happens is where others want to be.
It's great to hire experienced people, and you want to do that in certain positions within your company. But when you're trying to grow, like we're trying to grow, and like a lot of the companies are trying to grow here in Kanata, it's all about young talent.
Hub 350 has been set up by the Kanata North Business Association. One of the great moves they've made is to co-locate and bring the universities and colleges on site at Hub 350. It directly leads to co-op and internship opportunities. It leads to great employees in a test environment where the students have actually had real work experience. We've hired almost half of the graduating class that we had that was working with us. And I think it really goes to show that the co-op program, these sort of programs really work well.
It can't be underestimated the importance of the tech economy to Canada's economy. When we think about where the economies are going globally, tech is integral to everything. And so for Canada's economic health and well-being, we have got to be rooted in the innovation economy in order to maintain the quality of life that we all know and love.
So there's more and more companies coming in here because of the talent pool. If you walk around our building and you take a look, you'll see it is definitely a destination. And you know, Canada is a great country on its own, and then you have a great tech park here with some big names. It's definitely a destination.
The new campus is going to be really exciting for Nokia and probably even more exciting for the community, because it's going to bring together a workplace, a community, services, residential, all in the same campus. And the really positive thing is we're actually going to connect the roads together through the 3 developments, so it'll look like one large seamless development from anybody living or walking through the community.
What I'm really looking forward to over the next decade, maybe 15 years, is seeing how March Road and the park evolves from what is a place to come to work to what is a pedestrian lifestyle for those who live here at all ages. Students coming out of their apartment, walking across the street to their dream job. Bicycles, young families. We are a great tech park now. In 10, 15 years, we're going to be a great tech community that is the full spectrum of live, work, play, innovate. I think it's going to be really, really exciting to see that change.